Trafft lets you customize the labels used throughout your booking form. To do so, navigate to the Customize page and click Labels. Here you can change the labels that will be shown on the booking website. If these fields are left empty, the default ones will be used. In this example, we are using a barbershop booking website, so I'll go ahead and change the Services label to Barber Services. I will also change the Employees label to Barbers, and finally, I'll use the Barbershops label instead of Locations. I'll save the changes and go to my booking website. You can see that the labels have now changed the way I wanted. Trafft currently offers close to 40 labels that can be translated, and we are regularly adding more. Feel free to reach out if there's a particular label you need that isn't available yet.